Narayana attained the 5 mantras Gayatri Mantra, Mrityunjayam, Panchaksharam, Chintamani, and Dakshinamurti Mantra, and he prayed on that. Lord Shiva appeared before him. Through his breath, Lord Shiva gave Diksha to Narayana and initiated in him the mantras and Vedas has in it all practices. Lord Shiva is the house and chief place of all arts, science, and knowledge. After getting the knowledge of Veda, Mahavishnu transferred the same to Brahma in the same way through his breath. Sriman Narayana also got the knowledge of Shiva philosophy from Lord Shiva and gave the same to Brahmadeva. After getting the complete knowledge of Veda from Lord Shiva, Mahavishnu said to him, "You are the source of all arts, science, and knowledge, the divine fire. How to make you happy? How do I meditate on you? In what way I should meditate? How will people reach you? Teach and give me the knowledge of Shiva philosophy that will wash away all sins." At once, merciful Lord Shiva looked at faithful Lord Vishnu and said, "Visualize me in the same way as how I appear before you now and pray to that. I will become happy and give you all its benefits and fulfill all your desires and remove all the sorrow. On praying to me in full faith, I will fulfill all your desires and get rid of all your sorrows so that Brahma can always involve himself in creating and you in protecting this universe. I will teach you such methods of puja." On hearing this, Vishnu said to him, "You are the life, knowledge, the world, Lord of all devas, and you are in the form of Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajur Veda, and who does the creation, protection, and destruction. You are able to fulfill all the desires. I pray to you. You are in the form of Ekaksharam. You are in the sound form of the letter A in Om. You are in the form of wisdom. You are in the form of the letter U. You are the Adideva and Vidya Swarupa. I pray to you. You are in the form of the third letter of Om, Im. You are the Shiva Murti in the best form. You are in the form of water, protecting all the living beings in water, sleeping in water. I pray to you. You are in the form of wisdom, knowledge. You are in the form of creatures. You are in the form of Smriti, the rules on Dharma. I pray to you. You are in the form of wisdom. You can be reached only on becoming wise. You are in the highest form. I pray to you. You have golden hands and golden sense organs. I pray to you. You are Jatadhara with matted hair, wrapped in elephant skin. I pray to you. You are very auspicious, creating auspiciousness. You possess a physical body. You are the god of all wealth, including Mahapadma. You are the Ling. You are in the form of Ling. I pray to you. You are in the form of brightness, the god of all Tejas. You are in the form of everything. I pray to you. You are the Almighty. You have water within you. You are the best in doing tapas, capable of teaching me and Brahma through Samagitam. You are the Parabrahma, Paramatma, Rishi Swarupa, existing in all. You are the Prabhu, master of all. I pray to you. Saying so, Brahma and Vishnu both prayed together to Lord Shiva. Vishnu said the above stotram and prayed to Lord Shiva. Whoever reads or hears or makes others to hear this holy sacred praise of God will get rid of all his sins and attain the highest position. Like a growing moon, auspiciousness will grow in his life. Hearing to this stotram from Mahavishnu, Lord Shiva looked at them and said, "I am much happy hearing you praise. Leave your fear and pray to me, the Shiva Murti. As per my wish, I have created you too with great efficiency. I myself have transformed me into you three. As per my wish, my form is separated into three. Pitamaha Brahma will be to my right, Mahavishnu to my left, and the Atma of this universe, Rudra, will be in my heart. Like this, you are in the form of three avatars. As I have much affection on you all, I will grant all your wishes. Saying so, he touched them with his holy hands. Both of them experienced an unexplainable bliss. Mahavishnu got the desire of uniting with Lord Shiva. He put his hands together and prayed, "Bless us such that our devotion towards you will always remain. You should also end the argument that raged between us." Lord Shiva looked at Mahavishnu and said, "You and Brahma will always remain in devotion towards me. Do puja to the Ling Murti you saw. On praying to me, doing the formal puja, you will attain all comforts." He taught them the way to do puja and also blessed them with their desired boons. He looked at Brahma and said, "On my order, you do the creation." Looked at Mahavishnu and said, "O Vishnu, you protect the movable and immovable and all the creatures in this universe. For the sake of creating, protecting, and destructing, I divided myself into Brahma, Vishnu, and Rudra from the formless stage. So, that Rudra Murti is me myself. Your prayers to me and Rudra are all same. Shiva Rupa and Rudra Rupa are one and the same. Do not differentiate me and Rudra. Everybody can see our form. Vishnu and Brahma, you and Rudra are my form only. My Shiva Rupam that remains forever is the truth, wisdom, and indestructible, and is the cause and prime reason for all this. You all were created from the Shiva Rupam. It was on my order that Rudra Murti was created. I will take the Rudra avatar. Lakshmi and Saraswati will take their avatar as Shiva's aspect from this Shiva Rupam. This Shiva Rupam, for the cause of a work, will take another special form and will take an avatar in the name of Kali. So, Vishnu, with the help of Lakshmi, you do the work of protecting all in this universe. Brahma, with the help of Saraswati, you always do the creation. Rudra, with the help of Mahakali, will do the work of destruction. Filled with wisdom, you create the pleasure in all the worlds. For that sake, may them live together and perform various activities under four varnas as Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishya, and Shudras, and four ashrams as Brahmacharya, Grahastha, Vanaprastha, and Sannyasa, and you attain the bliss through those activities. Both of you do non-stop puja with love to the ling in silver, gemstones, gold, or sand. So you will be able to create the comforts for all worlds, and the people in all the worlds will also be able to do the pujas as you do. I will not attain those who do not do Shiva puja. Saying this, Lord Shiva disappeared. From then on, Narayana and Brahma performed Shiva puja and were filled with devotion for Lord Shiva. Ling is Saraswati. Ling is Mahalakshmi. Ling is Mahakali. Ling is Brahma and all Devas. Ling is Lord Shiva. Whoever says this Shiva Linga Prabhavam at Shiva Sannati will attain uncountable benefits. So the Mahamuni said this to the rishis at Naimisaranya.